Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today we are going to analyze stacks, conduct machine learning based price forecast as well as regression analysis. This is the Sharpe ratio based analysis of most of the top cryptos over the last 1.5 year since January 2023, which cryptos are performing great, that is having decent volatility and great returns. So if we divide the returns by volatility, you will get a Sharpe ratio based analysis. These are the top 6 gems of the crypto asset class as of the January 2023, starting January 2023 till today. Tron and BTC are having very low volatility, but the returns are also kind of less compared to Caspa, Solana, Injective, and Stacks. Nonetheless, if you prefer lower volatility related cryptos, this none of the content is financial advice, but over the last 18 months or 20 months, these two cryptos have had the least volatility, and amongst most of the top 100 cryptos, they have a decent return as well. Solana is in the middle of the pack with volatility at around 0.8, return decent return of about 13.5x, Sharpe ratio slightly over 17. You can see in terms of the color gradation between blue to yellow, Solana and its Sharpe ratio falls in the middle of the pack. Injective slightly lower Sharpe ratio than Solana because it's more volatile, even though returns are quite similar. Stacks today, the crypto that we're going to analyze today, is on the higher volatility side, comparatively less returns than Solana, Injective, and Caspa, but more returns than Tron and BTC. When the crypto has a higher volatility, that means that there are decent times to decent opportunities to trade this crypto. That is, when the crypto gets overheated, buying DCing out becomes key. When the crypto gets undervalued, DCing in becomes key. So for this analysis, we have this PeakValley indicator, where whenever the indicator flashes green, that is the color code goes from yellow to green, that's when DCing in the market over the last 18 months have been beneficial. The blue zone is the lowest risk zone, so again that's basically parking the truck kind of scenario. Over the last year or so, the yellow zone is the moderate risk environment. Right now we just left the low risk environment 3 days ago, on August 2022, and then since then we haven't quite looked back, and my apologies, the chart wasn't updated. So for this latest risk score, as late as yesterday, that is August 27, again the risk levels are in the green zone. That means over the last 2 to 3 days there has been a significant drop in the market, signaling a low risk buy opportunity. Per our analysis, this has happened only 3 times in this year. For the prolonged time in August. Again, the key area to look is if the risk craters below this 0.14 risk, that's when again more and more dollar cost averaging related opportunities will arise. This is again not financial advice. In terms of analyzing the wider crypto market using the SMA and the normalized SMA risk for Bitcoin and ETH, the BTC risk is at this point at around 0.28. The ETH risk is at 0.23. That means right now it's less risky to hold ETH than BTC. Throughout this year, again you can see the BTC risk has been in an elevated regimen than Ether risk. There are some notable exceptions where ETH becomes more risky than BTC. That's when the alts also tend to be more risky than BTC. This time around, though, the alt risk has gone down a bit. Also, you can see that the environment for the wider crypto market is in low risk environment, whereas during the top or the peak that we witnessed in March of 2024, the risk based on the 20-week simple moving average was the highest. Right now we'll look at stack and conduct some machine learning based price forecast. Back in February, when the price of stack was at around $2, the machine learning model, which was trained on the weekly price action till February, provided this three scenarios for the remainder of the year 2024. The base case at this point in time, with August closing sometime on so the week of September 1st, that fair value was at around $2.68. We are about a dollar short from that level at $1.68. So that means from February's perspective, the price action is in the bear zone. Right now the bear case bottom for stacks forecasted at that point in time was around $1.10. So the price is between this base case scenario and the ultimate bear case bottom. Going forward, that bear case bottom till December 2024 is till about between 98 cents and $1.10. So those are the bottoming patterns for stack that are of key area of interest. In terms of the machine learning based base case scenario, if there is a likely mean reversion trade, the key levels to watch between September and December are between $2.70 till about $3.32. So that would be the in line with the base case scenario for the model. In terms of analyzing if the overall social sentiment, if that has a more of a social sentiment based boost or to the upside or a headwind to the downside. Right now the overall sentiment score is at around 52. This is again last 24 hours related news. Most of them are bullish or neutral, couple of them are bearish related Bitcoin crash, and again some of the Bitcoin ownership related news. So all of the content is available on the website. The link is on the bottom of your screen, cryptoweeklies.com. You don't have to pay or sign up for anything. The narratives which are gaining some popularity over the last 7 days, again the bullish sentiment is back, although there were some news related to the Telegram related arrests, as well as some narratives. This is all of the news and the discussion on the last 7 days on YouTube and X, and this is one single snapshot of a word cloud of the narratives which are gaining popularity. Solana definitely one of the popular narrative. Cardano, Ethereum not so much this week, but was a bigger narrative last week. The bullish sentiment as well as some of the signals related to the market are being discussed. ETFs have and their popularity has gone down a bit. Again, more narratives related to buying cryptos are popping up. So that's where we are at, and also some of the lower capped cryptos are being discussed, such as Hedera over here, one of the top 10 cryptos, XRP. That's there has been a lot of attention related to Polygon as well, and its token Matic with its upgrade coming up from Matic to Pol. So that's the snapshot of the market. With this I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.